Kiola!
Bad weather has hit the province of Parwan in northern Afghanistan. According to the state news agency, more than 30 people were killed and about 100 are missing as a result of the severe flooding in the districts of Gorband and Shinwari. Many roads leading to the affected region remain blocked. This complicates rescue and relief efforts. However, tents, tarpaulins, blankets and cooking utensils were airlifted in by helicopter to the victims. According to the Afghan Red Crescent, 9 people were killed and 133 homes were destroyed in the Shinwari District. About 404 hectares of farmland were also destroyed by the big water, as well as 30 dams and 140 kilometers of roads.